Do you wanna be a hero in the sky? You can, and here is how and why. You don't need a cape or engines that roar. You just need to help and love a little more. Be a hero for an animal lost or afraid, with a gentle voice and an offer of aid. Share your lunch with a dog, give a cat a soft bed. Be the kind, safe person to whom all pets are led. Be a superhero for your grandparents so wise. See the wonderful world that lives behind their eyes. Help them carry groceries, listen to a tale they tell. Those simple acts of kindness, that's a superpower spell. Be a champion for your classmates at school. That's the coolest kind of hero, trust me, it's rule. If someone is lonely and sitting alone, your superpower smile can help them feel known. You can pick up the trash that litters the park and brighten the world like a sudden brave spark. You can stand up for what's right, courageous and true. That's a superhero's job for me and for you. You can pick up the trash, the one that is true. The sky's not the limit for a hero like you. Your powers are real, they're tucked deep inside. In your helpful, kind heart, that's where heroes reside. Though you see the biggest secret, the one that is true, the sky's not the limit for a hero like you. Your powers are real, they're tucked deep inside. In your helpful, kind heart, that's where heroes reside. Be a helpful, kind heart, that's where heroes reside.